Hello loves, we're back with another tutorial. So I found this cool image on Pinterest. It looks so sad and dramatic, perfect for Halloween. I started by covering the brows with Elmer's glue stick, adding a little bit of powder and then some color correction, so make it invisible underneath the makeup. Pretty important since we have an all white base underneath. I added some black contacts. I know this would have been so much cooler with black sclera lenses, but I didn't have them, so these have to work. The prosthetics are made out of latex on a face cast, and the tears are actually made with a glue gun, so super easy for you to do at home. I'm applying some Prosaid all around the eye and then carefully attach the prosthetic onto it. Ooh, that's always a tricky part because it has to be placed right. Now I'm using some liquid latex to cover the edges and blend everything out. And while we wait for that to dry, we can already start by filling in the eyes. And watching this, I realized I should have done that in the start. That would have been so much easier. Anyway, just make the whole black and then I add some setting spray so it doesn't budge. A little coffee break before we move on to the white base. I'm using the Nyxcosmetics SFX cream. As you can see, it doesn't cover the latex edges of the prosthetic, but I'm covering them with some eyeshadows in different shades. This will definitely give it more dimension and depth. Then I protect my eyes because I'm gonna splatter with alcohol-based paint, and you really don't want to get that in your eyes, absolutely not. Then I add some sad little brows. Some black and gray eyeshadows to really contour the face and give it more dimension. Black lips and a wig and we're done. I didn't find any special effects, so here they are for free. Anyway, I call her the sad artist. Let me know if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe.